Pink.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Doogie. Welcome back to 31st Media. If you're new to my channel, hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, drop some comments with my family on this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, welcome back. Thanks for watching. So I just got a package in the mail yesterday that I'm really excited about. I've been waiting maybe 3 to 4 months for this package. And as you can tell by the thumbnail, you know, I got the Cactus Jack McDonald's collab. It was the sticker bomb sweaters. I did purchase some other items like the Cactus Jack cup. They touched down on Saturday, so this is the McDonald's cup. It's cool. It kind of looked like a hard plastic type of orange juice cup. You know what I'm saying? But I'm definitely excited about this. Something stylish. I'll be able to sip my cold beverage in. Yeah. Let me know. Let me know what y'all think in the comments about this. Y'all like this cup? Alright. So yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Do y'all rock with that cup? Y'all rocking with it? I made sure I didn't open it because I wanted to make sure I opened it for this video. So yeah, let's get into it. So I actually ordered 2 of them. So I ordered a size large. Just the packaging right here. And it says Cactus Jack 92. Okay. So I actually ordered 2 of them. Yeah, I actually ordered 2. So I ordered 2 larges. So I ordered 2 size larges. Just because you never know, somebody might like it and want one and can't get one. And if I got access, you know, to get more than one, hey, why not? So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and open up one of them. And, man. So, just off bat, it's definitely the sticker bomb hoodie. Definitely the sticker bomb hoodie. Got stickers on the hood, stickers on the back, got stickers on the sleeve. It's dope. Let's get into some of them though. So you got the Cactus Jack 92. You got up all night, 24/7 service Cactus Jack. You got the embroidery with the Cactus Jack on there if you can see it. Tell them Jack sent you. It's a few dope ones up here. Cactus Jack attack on the sleeve. You deserve a break today. You deserve a break today. That's dope too. So, and drop in the comments what y'all think about this, man. I waited over 12 weeks for this, man. I seen a lot of people got their Cactus Jack merch early too. Let me know how y'all did that, cause when I ordered mine, it told me I was gonna have to wait 12 weeks, you know. But it's definitely worth the wait. I'm gonna definitely put this on, let y'all see me with it on. You know what I'm saying? But I did want to just do this quick video to let y'all know what's going on and what kind of new clothes I've been getting in. It's pretty cool. Alright, yeah, make sure y'all subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you drop a comment. Let me know what you like about this hoodie. And yeah, we're gonna get back at it. Stay tuned for the next video.